Day 1092. Headed to the taco spot. Try to get to work a little early. Didn't quite happen. And now we got some traffic because of just a little bit of rain. Just a little bit of rain here and things just slow down. Almost to a halt. It gets a little silly sometimes, but I guess it's just a lesson to better to be safe and not be someone that gets an accident, knock on wood. But we're gonna go there, and then after we're done eating, we're gonna go bowling. After bowling, we're gonna head out for the run. Okay, we're here. It's a little late, but that's what happens with traffic and a little rain. Let's go eat so we can go bowl. Dinner's done. We are gonna check into bowling. We actually got here decently early. We're gonna have a nice little practice. Suns game just ended first quarter. There's the score. 22-23. The Bucks are up. Suns are down by 1. And we're going for a run. I would like to stay and watch the game, but the run can no longer wait. We're outside. We're gonna do the loop as soon as the watches get synced up again. We're green. Spotlight on Jennifer. Get the spotlight on you.
Left, right, or
left or right? Which way would it go?
oh, shit.
Okay. Making our way downtown.
Yeah, we are actually. Sprinkles too, I can feel it.
Little sprinkles coming.
Yeah.
Try to get back before it rains. Great. Alright. Got a little rain coming down. Wind coming in.
Strong wind.
I'm sure you can hear that now on the mic. It's picking up.
Oh,
So I think we should be fine.
now it's really in my face.
I'm sure what happens tomorrow will be.
You're running in the rain tomorrow. 6 miles.
Oh, you're going to be there too then.
Ah,
Yep, waking you up. Putting you in the car. Let's go to the track.
It's raining a lot. It's really gonna run.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
A few more blocks left and we'll be done. Watch the rest of the Suns game. Warm back up. This wind's probably the worst thing right now. It's a cold breeze. Rain's not terrible, but it's just that moisture sits on your skin.
Hello to me.
Yeah, Jennifer's
Not
got
in my eyes.
3 layers on again. Got the hat on because I know there's a chance of rain. So I'm trying to keep it out of my face as much as possible.
I didn't think it was. How so be wearing mine?
Yeah. We're almost in. Last push. And we're in. Just hit 2 and done. Short and sweet. Cold and windy. Done. What's the where are you going? I'm going to post for an interview. How many days you got left?
You said it's Friday. Today's oh, that's a long time.
It's 37.
It's Tuesday.
So 38. It's Wednesday. Sorry.
Your head was cold.
38 Wednesday.
Wednesday.
39 Thursday. 40 on Friday.
40.
Good job.
Yes.
Good job. Way to go.
No, 31. So yeah, I got to do your run, your annual yearly.
The yearly run.
Yearly run.
Run your age run.
Yeah, yes, your race, you run your race.
So what the run your age run is when you turn 20, you run 20 days in a row. When you turn 30, you run 30 days in a row. And like me, I turned 40, so I ran 40 days in a row. And of course, we're still going. Come on now, watch out. You crazy puppy. Crazy puppy. What are we doing? What are we doing over here? I don't know if you can see this right now. But look at this rain, it's coming down. We made it just in time. It is going.
Whoa.
Woo-wee. Look at the ground, it's just all kinds of rain spots going down. The game's over. It's time for bed. Showered up. TV's off. It's 11:10. And we gotta get up early, get ready for track. So, on your life with health and happiness, have a good night.